Good evening and welcome to the news. First, let us take a look at the headlines. Prime Minister Modi and Lao Prime Minister Siphandon strengthened bilateral relations. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma joins Swachhata Hi Seva campaign in Tura. Congress warns of by-elections in Meghalaya following MLA defections. KSU submits 15-point charter to Deputy Commissioner for Transparent DSC recruitment. And EM of Millennium threatens legal action over land leasing allegations. The news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi met with Lao Prime Minister Sonexay Siphandon to discuss enhancing ties and cooperation in areas like disaster management, renewable energy and economic relations. Siphandon thanked India for its flood relief after Typhoon Yagi and emphasized the restoration of Wat Phao as a symbol of their partnership. The meeting resulted in several memorandums of understanding on defense, customs and cooperation and cultural exchanges, as well as quick impact projects for preserving Lao heritage. India also announced a $1 million grant to boost nutrition security in Laos, marking its first project under the India-UN Development Partnership Fund in Southeast Asia. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma participated in the Swachhata Hi Seva 2024 campaign, which ran from September 17 to October 2nd, by joining a cleaning and beautification drive at Tura supermarket complex. Emphasizing that cleanliness should be a daily practice and integral to culture and values, he encouraged the community to adopt these habits beyond the campaign. The event also saw the presence of the Deputy Commissioner of West Garo Hills and officials from the District Administration and Tura Municipal Board, reinforcing the commitment to a cleaner environment in Tura town. Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC President Vincent H. Pala has issued a stern warning to 3 Congress MLAs, including Nongstoin MLA Gabriel Watlang, who recently resigned, stating that legal complaints have been filed that could lead to by-elections in their constituencies. Speaking at a public gathering in Nongstoin, Pala indicated that these actions might result in the MLAs losing their status and triggering fresh elections, suggesting that the defecting MLAs were motivated by personal gain. Ronnie V. Lingdo, the sole remaining Congress MLA, accused the defectors of colluding with the BJP to undermine the Congress party, framing the political struggle as a battle against the BJP's imposition of laws against the people's will.
Amendment bill. This approach, like a flip court on high court of Tangai, you know, to go to India, Baba away. To go up, hacking the company to a body was disqualified. After 2 years, Shen, some of the Nepal, we have a welcome jail at the MDC, but let me answer this for this council. What? Let Bangla fight back. The father make a junior partner. What about Bangla? I can do the shine of the same Congress. Kumba Mali, come on. The BJP can the throne. One Pundoja, the Pushaman Pundoja, the same Congress. No matter the problem, Putala, Yamari Shah in the media.
Yesterday, the Khasi Students' Union KSU from Southwest Khasi Hills District met with Deputy Commissioner Barnari Maulong, submitting a 15-point charter aimed at ensuring effective and transparent recruitment within the District Selection Committee (DSC). KSU President Forward Man Nongrem emphasized the need for ethical guidelines in appointing non-official members to the DSC, advocating for candidates without political ties. Key demands include annual asset declarations for public servants, proficiency in Khasi language for applicants, and a call to eliminate ad hoc and contractual appointments. The union also urged the DSC to publish an annual calendar of key examination dates, disclose candidates' marks, and complete recruitment processes within 6 months. Other suggestions include establishing a grievances cell and implementing computer-based tests in the future.
Nomor bahot ingin padulap pakadan kajinglik question paper support sampai selesai hendrai kibobon kijik telu dan nertai kidon te nomor kata kenang ban like nya kita ke ke pan penyo jingshania ya ki samlat thapkam na po district te ngila pentu district ba kedai ban pet ba kini question papers kalong ba kedai ban long thali confidential kenang ban de ban handle ka torkam kan long confidential ba kenang ba ekonomi kanu kajing penno nanish kmat.
Aina Manik's EM, the EM of Milliam, has warned 5 ministries and the Basan of Nokse of legal action if they fail to provide evidence of alleged illegal land leasing within 10 days. The dispute centers on a 5,000 square foot plot in Klau Mauro leased to Napi Sabet Waalang for a furniture workshop with a monthly rent of Rs 10,000 for 20 years. CM stated the lease followed proper procedures but declined to comment on accusations regarding Rs 5.58 crore misutilization for land at Yo Milliam. Due to an ongoing inquiry, he clarified that soil dumped at Law CM came from the leased land and such dumping is permitted. In response, the ministries and Basan have called for CM's removal, citing unauthorized leasing and violations of HIMA conventions.
Ketua kejakan bersyukur kalau ada gaji kaliang, nakaliang kahima, nakaliang do Shillong. Kita tu baru ingin lapan approval na district council, badan kumbak harsau teli kilong ye. Nama berbalai mencuba ketua kejakan jong Shillong. Ma badan ketolong di bawah ban penek persai tolong dan nakaliang jungi bat nakaliang ke bodor Shillong jong ka sim Jepung ru ngilaya le inspection di kadon si kumbak khasal to li kilong ye ngilaya bujidi nan jaka di kadon ka jaka hendak kumba 1,000 square feet di bodi ka jing kadon nakaliang ka jong ka Shillong Kia kijing ko sini ba ban penkerja no hendak nama badan buat tu high tension di ban penkerja no deka bapan ka Shillong ye tu ki khasau kali ki long ye nama ban jing don tu high tension ki beri tu ki long ye ki don jing thot di nakalian ni ke hima di la penkerja no ban kham seneng ye ban la tu high tension tu deka be bujli.
Leaders of the Hinyo-Trap National Youth Front HNYF Riboy region met with the Chancellor of the University of Science and Technology Meghalaya to advocate for a special quota for local students. Led by President Hetsing Lingdo and General Secretary Alfred Malay, the delegation stressed the need for increased educational opportunities, particularly in medical studies and specialized fields, citing socio-economic challenges faced by Hinyo-Trap students. The Chancellor acknowledged their concerns and assured that USTM is committed to diversity and inclusion, promising to seriously consider their request. In a significant step towards changing traditions, 2 Durga Puja committees in Shillong, Matri Mandir Shillong and Polo Nepali Puja Committee were honored for banning the practice of animal sacrifice during the festival. This initiative reflects a shift in societal values as more communities are embracing human practices. The recognition was presented by local social organizations Nari Shakti, Shillong Darpan and UNN Society, highlighting the growing awareness and commitment to ethical celebrations in the region. On the auspicious first day of Durga Puja celebrations in Shillong, Chief Electoral Officer Dr. BDR Tiwari launched Shishir Bindu, a commemorative souvenir from the Hathat Colony Durga Puja Committee. The event, attended by committee members and devotees, highlighted the cultural and spiritual significance of the festival in the local community. Dr. Tiwari praised the committee for its dedication to upholding traditions while celebrating with grandeur and devotion. The souvenir not only honors the rich heritage of Durga Puja but also fosters community unity, setting a positive tone for the festivities ahead.
उससे भी बेहतर जो इसका कवर प्रिंट और डिजाइन बहुत सुंदर है। और अगर आप इसको देखें तो जिस तरीके से कि माँ के बाल रूप को कैसे आगे बढ़ते हुए घुंघरू किए।
East Khasi Hills Deputy Commissioner R.M. Kurba announced that all Durga Puja pandals in the city have been inspected and found to comply with designated areas, addressing concerns about potential public space encroachment raised by a local pressure group. Kurba assured reporters that Puja committees, magistrates and police are closely monitoring the situation to ensure the festivities proceed smoothly. Emphasizing mutual respect during religious celebrations, she noted the importance of maintaining peace, especially with upcoming festivals like Christmas and Senkutsnem. To enhance security, all puja pandals are equipped with CCTV cameras and daily law and order reviews are being conducted. This year, Meghalaya has 251 puja pandals affiliated with the Central Puja Committee, excluding private, army and police pandals.
As I said earlier, we are a circular country and we should accept, respect each other's faith, and we are ensuring that there's peace. All the puja committees are fixed with CCTVs to ensure that there's no incident that happens in the vicinity and also outside. So all these are being recorded, so to ensure that people who visit the committee, the puja pandal, is safe, and also people passing through will be safe. There should not be. We can appeal to everyone. At this point of time, we do not create this kind of sense of disrespectful for any religion or.
Around 1 p.m. today, a fire broke out in a cow shed in the Langkerding area of Shillong, resulting in the tragic death of approximately 15 cows. The exact cause of the fire is currently unknown. Shining Adventist Secondary School Thinrait celebrated Parents' Day with Maukenrao MLA Bantaydor Lingdo as the chief guest, joined by local leaders, parents and students. In his address, Lingdo emphasized the importance of morality and dignity, commending the school's excellence and its students' achievements in colleges in Shillong. He praised the school's recognition of high-performing students, which fosters pride in the community. Additionally, Lingdo donated 5 lakhs for classroom construction, enhancing the learning environment and supporting the school's growth. The event underscored the significance of community involvement in education and the positive impact of supportive leadership in student success.
Bang inang kentiu ya ka puli putih handrai ka bang ngakwa banong ipi ka bang iyo snow bat ngakwa bat snow ipi sa sisien ya gijingkren kadai ka akor bat ka buram ka banra yang i nakawai kapor syakawai kapor pat.
Minken Christian High Secondary School in Bhoirambong is taking a significant step towards addressing its urgent need for an auditorium by organizing a food fest cum sale of work yesterday. The event, attended by Swapnil Tembe IAS and other dignitaries, featured handmade items, donated clothing, food stalls and games, drawing support from the entire school community. During the festivities, Tembe also presented football boots and jerseys to the school's Subroto Cup team, recognizing their upcoming participation in the Indo-French football tournament in Paris.
Kalau bagi school yang 100% attendance and 100% attention, to your teachers. Study well, and beyond study also, play sports, whatever you like, do more reading, get some skill, learn computers, and take this opportunity and learn, maximum use of this opportunity, because you are very lucky to study in this school, this kind of school.
And now the weather report. The minimum temperature was 15.5 degrees Celsius and the maximum temperature was 25.5 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 80%, while in the evening was 91%. The forecast: moderate rainfall and thundershower is very likely to occur at many places. And before we wind up, here are the headlines once again. Prime Minister Modi and Lao Prime Minister Sifandan strengthen bilateral relations. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma joins Swachhata Hi Seva campaign in Tura. Congress warns of by-elections in Meghalaya following MLA defections. KSU submits 15-point charter to Deputy Commissioner for transparent DSC recruitment. And scheme of Millennium threatens legal action over land leasing allegations. And that's all we have in the news for today. Do join us again tomorrow at the same time, same channel. Until then, it's good night.